Hi guys, wish you all a very happy Sunday. We are doing this live with our guest Mitashi, and the topic is understanding hyperactive children. So, so just tell us about yourself and like what do you do?
I am primarily a school counselor. I have worked with students, that's where my extensive experience lies. But I initially started working with hospitals, corporate, NGOs, and schools. So I have a variety of experience there. I worked with students as well as adults. As I was working with different setups, I realized I need to open up something, which belongs to me and my own setup. And that's when I realized that Life Bubble needs to be launched. And fortunately, we've complete more than a year now. And yes, my role is that of a counselor. I also do corporate counseling and training and coaching. So different profiles, I would say. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. So Mitashi, I'm so sorry. You are a little less audible. Can you be a little louder?
Sure. I'll probably hold it here. Is it better now?
Yes. Yeah, much
Perfect.
better.
Perfect.
Much better.
Good.
So,
Yeah.
the topic of our discussion today is understanding hyperactive children. So, my first question is, what exactly is hyperactive children? Like, what do you mean by hyperactive children? Because whenever we talk about energy, we come across hyperactive. But what exactly is
Yeah.
hyperactive? Yeah.
So hyperactive, there are two things that I would first like to, kind of share with the audiences. One is we loosely use this term for a lot of kids. Yeah.
Okay.
Any kid you would see jumping and climbing up here and there, we might just say, oh my God, he's so hyperactive or she's so hyperactive,
Yeah.
she's not sitting in one place. Isko to ADHD hai, kuch problem hai. So one, that is not hyperactive. I would first focus on what is not hyperactive. Yeah.
Oh,
While
yeah. Yeah.
jumping around, climbing up and there, moving, easily getting bored, distracted does become hyperactive, but you cannot claim or be confident about the fact that a child is hyperactive unless you have a diagnosis. So a hyperactive child could be very intelligent. It's not that, oh my God, they don't understand concepts or that IQ is very poor. And some people use the words like dumb, stupid, isko samajh nahi aata, ye to bas bhagta rehta hai. So these terms, they do not help in any manner, neither the adult nor that kid. They rather frustrate both the parent and the child, or even, the aunts or relatives around that child. They frustrate the
Right.
kid more. Hyperactive, if I talk primarily, holds three specific pointers to it. Being fidgety, being restless, and being easily bored. That's what hyperactive child looks like. But I'll help you
Right.
guys more in the depth of it. Just picking up terms is easy, but understanding it clinically will take a lot of experience and time. So for me to say that in just a 1 hour or a 2 hour live session, you'll get all the clarity, it will be very, very unfair. Yeah, because it's a
Right.
science if you look at it. It's a medical
Correct.
science, it's pseudo medical science. So you
Right.
can't
Right.
be too sure of it, but I'll try to elaborate as much as I can. These are the
Right.
three main factors: being easily bored, too fidgety, and restless.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
if the child is easily bored or
Hmm.
fidgety and excessively energized and all, so
Yeah.
that means that child is hyperactive. That is normally hyperactive.
You can say energetic. Now I'll tell you why. Suppose आप
Okay.
किसी को बोलो आपको एक normal headache है, right? And if you say you have migraine, now these are two different things. Migraine becomes
Right.
medical. You would want intervention, right? But Swati can have a half an hour headache or a headache lasting for even 2 days for that matter. Could be due to
Right.
heat, less water intake, diet, XYZ factors, right? I can't suddenly
Right.
come up and say, because I know that this is what migraine looks like, and because my child has migraine or I have migraine, तो आपका जो headache है वो migraine है. So that is not the right way to kind of claim the fact that this is hyperactive or not. So we can say that the kid is very energetic. Because ho sakta hai, when that kid is probably studying, sits down for some activity, he or she is paying complete attention, doing all the course, I would say, paying attention to all the instructions also. Yeah, that means there is focus. But if you see that same kid in a park or in some other social setup, he or she is very active, confident, communicating, talking, that doesn't become hyperactive. That's energy. That's how adults are also, right? We would
Right.
focus
Right.
on our work, but when we are meeting, we are very excited. So you can't say that
Correct.
adult is hyperactive. Hyperactive, attention deficit also for that matter, if I say, there are symptoms to it. हर चीज के
Okay.
symptoms होते हैं, एक नहीं दो नहीं, कई symptoms होते हैं. So Hyperactive, I'll elaborate further on the symptoms as we proceed further, how it is slightly different from ADHD.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so going forward, my next question is now what is ADHD then?
So ADHD is attention deficit and hyperactive disorder. Now, in
Right.
simpler words, AD and HD, when both the terms come together, that is ADHD. Okay. Sometimes,
Right.
first I'll explain ADHD to all. ADHD is, it has three types primarily. First type is hyperactive plus impulsivity. Okay.
Right.
Second type is inattentive, where there is less focus. Third type
Right.
is a combination of the two. So when there is a combination of a child who is hyperactive, impulsive, and inattentive, that is complete ADHD concern. Only then it becomes ADHD. Otherwise, there could be a child A who is only inattentive. So that is one type of ADHD. There could be a child B who is hyperactive and impulsive. So that is another type of ADHD. That's how it's understood. या दोनों के सिम्टम्स अलग हैं, दोनों का बिहेवियर पैटर्न अलग है, और जो थर्ड कैटेगरी है उसका दोनों का मिला के सेम कंसर्न है. So suppose if somebody asks me, how do I know that is my child ADHD or not? Yeah, these symptoms are different. If I tell you that I will give you a list of symptoms right now and you can refer to them whenever and do a checklist on your own, this is what hyperactivity is, this is what impulsivity is, trust me, it's not going to help. Even if you Google these symptoms, yeah, DSM-5 is what we follow. Just like doctors, we also have a manual to go by, which is DSM-5, the latest version, which has all the symptoms mentioned there. Yeah, even if you kind of tally your child's behavior with those symptoms, you might fall under the impression that, oh my God, there is, ADHD. My child is very hyperactive, and you might even start working on some strategies and therapies on your own. But that's not the correct way to go about it.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, so how do a parent realize, or how do a parent help the child if the parent feels that, or somebody has told them that why don't you get your ADHD checked? I think your child has ADHD. So how do the parent go to a counselor or probably address that issue?
Right.
Yeah. Because see now going forward,
first,
go ahead.
Yeah, no, it's okay. First thing, if I say, any child who has ADHD, right, you will be able to spot it in the early years itself. It won't happen suddenly in a pandemic. Why I'm using the word pandemic, a lot of parents have, approached me who would call up and say that, I think my child needs help because आजकल बहुत भागता रहता है, पढ़ाई में ध्यान नहीं है, or if it's a girl, they have their own behaviors attached to a girl and a boy. If a girl is very active, then it's not right. But if it's a boy, then oh my God, देखो कितना खेल रहा है ना? So ये भी एक तो differences आ जाते हैं हमारी understanding में. So a lot of parents, they do their own diagnosis and say कि वो पहले ही counselor को phone करके बोलते हैं कि मुझे लगता है ADHD है, क्योंकि आजकल हर कोई गूगल बाबा से नॉलेज लेता है. People are anyway well read, so they have a lot of knowledge. There are relatives who would come and say that you get them tested, so they anyway have that mindset ready. What disappoints them is sometimes when the counselor says, hello, this is not ADHD, it's just absolutely normal. This is what disappoints them. That's the funny part. Yeah, कि अरे यार आपको क्या पता हम कितने परेशान हो रहे हैं, things like that. So there's a difference. These symptoms, if I tell you in simple language, these symptoms have to last for at least 6 months or more. Yeah, I'll talk about the symptoms too. If suppose it's a pandemic thing, a lot of parents, as I said, pick up this concern. It is not ADHD probably. Reason being, अगर होता तो pandemic से पहले से चलता आ रहा होता. It can't just happen overnight. Yeah. Secondly, you cannot ignore ADHD child for long. It's almost impossible to ignore that kid. Okay, like imagine I have a kid in my room and he knows that mama is doing a session, he would still go bouncing here and there, not being able to understand the seriousness and the instructions behind it, that you're not going to disturb mama. Yeah, but this doesn't become one factor to say that my child is ADHD. This is one of the factors. Yeah, if I talk about the main symptoms about ADHD, there are at least 9 symptoms mentioned in DSM. Hyperactivity, inattentiveness के 9 अलग-अलग symptoms हैं. A child needs to have at least 6 or more of these symptoms for one to be very, very sure that there is a concern. Only then these different strategies can be worked out. Okay. Otherwise, you're exhausting your child if you're doing self-diagnosis and self-therapy. That's the harm there. because you're pushing your child's boundaries a lot more than expected. So you're first frustrating yourself, then you're frustrating your child as well.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I'm
along
back.
with
Yeah.
that, yeah.
So there are at least 9 symptoms. Yeah.
So
An overlap of
Mitashi,
the connectivity. Yeah.
So Mitashi, when you said that, even if I give you 9 parameters, it's not sure that,
Yeah.
I mean, we have to approach the counselor. So like we are very skeptical
Yes.
to approach the counselor because it's a social mindset or probably age old thing that we don't want to approach a counselor, or we feel, oh my god, you have to go
Yeah.
to a psychologist or you have to go to a counselor, matlab, sab theek hai na? So we don't take that positively. So what happens is we are not taken aback. Why my child? So why is that? Like, is the ADHD is a concern? It is a problem? What is it? Like, since you said they are hyperactive, but at the same time they're super intelligent. So why are we concerned? Like, what is
Yeah.
the problem?
See, talking about mental health, a lot of people still have an stigma attached. Okay.
Correct.
It's not just parents, it's everybody for that matter. Even we educators have it. Yeah, parents have it. Young kids have it. Teens, adults, everybody. मेन सबको क्या लगता है कि is there any medication attached to it? Necessarily not. If you come to a counselor, we do not give you any medication. There's no prescribed medicine to be given. It's only therapy. It's all emotional stuff coming up, yeah? Through different strategies, through different therapies. If you go to a psychiatrist, obviously, if you're going to a specialized doctor who's meant to give you a medicine, they would end up prescribing you a medicine. If you go to a clinical psychologist, they will give you tests to perform. So one very important thing for any individual would be for to understand the difference between these three professionals and then take a call. कई बार मैंने देखा है बच्चों को या पेरेंट्स सीधा साइकाइट्रिस्ट के पास पहुंचते हैं. Then those tests are very different in nature. They have a prescribed medicine to be given. Now it's not necessary that they will only give you a medicine, but the stigma comes up कि हम जाएंगे तो दवाइयाँ लेनी पड़ेगी, फिर addiction हो जाएगी. Then the moment we'll drop those medicines, there will be a problem. Counselors, on the other hand, I would still say counselors, what they can do is, a lot of parents, suppose if they come to us, if we feel there is depression now, okay, and if it's beyond counseling needs, if it's beyond that and they need clinical intervention, we can at least refer them further. So it's like screening out doing basically. So what I would still suggest to a lot of people is at least go for one counseling session. I'm not saying you take too many, even one, to get clarity, to kind of understand the way forward, instead of sitting with it and contemplating and adding on more to your troubles and your child or people around you. Take at least one session from a reliable counselor who can guide you accordingly. There are a lot of people who drop it in between, which is absolutely fine. That's your call, right? But it's always better to have some scientific based knowledge behind it instead of just guessing it.
Correct. So along with that, Mitashi,
and again, people,
yeah, please go ahead.
No, I'm just adding on to it. It's a different topic than altogether. But yes, go ahead, sir.
So my question was, when you said that suppose I'm not a counselor, I'm not a professional. So because of pandemic, probably I've spent more time with my child, and then I suddenly realized this is just not normal. My child is not normal. So does that mean that there is a mental issue? Does that mean that it is because of pandemic? Does that mean it's because we've not noticed his hyperactivity and he's suddenly become hyperactive? What is that? Probably it's not
I'll be very clear
here.
here. It cannot be, it could be different factors, Swati. I can't point out one because I know every word is very important right now. I'll say one thing and people will latch on to it. कि अब जो बोला है therapist ने शायद वही होगा. So I don't want to give you a generalized answer. Every family, every parent has different concerns, okay, different happy moments, different sad moments. So I can't say what is adding to the changed behavior for that child. Again, as I said, ADHD cannot be ignored. It can't suddenly come at the age of 7 or 10 years old. It's impossible. Because ADHD, that's how your brain is functioning since birth, right? You will see even as a young baby, you will see some concerns. When they go to nursery prep, you will see the teachers also pointing it out. That, ma'am, kuch hai. You will ask the teachers only asking you for a PTM slot. Listen, we need to connect. because they are enough trained to spot that okay, there is something. Now ADHD is not a big thing, to be very honest. It's not a big medical concern that parents don't want to acknowledge it only. It's absolutely
Yes.
manageable. Reason being, there are different strategies, there are different therapies, there are different activities to engage that child. Also for the
Correct.
parent to know that this is what you can do, this is what you should not do, right? So it will not come. Yes, one thing is for sure, a lot of kids show kind of impulsivity, hyperactivity symptoms before the age of 6. So the
Yes.
parents do go for a diagnosis to a clinical specialist or a psychiatrist or a counselor for that matter to get a report or an analysis done. There are some who want to be a step ahead in diagnosis, yeah, which is absolutely fine. So
Yes.
suppose if the report at the age of 5.5 or 6 or 6.5 says कि symptoms hai, you stick to it, fair enough, you can work around on those behaviors. But one important thing is after 6 months or at least a year, you must go for another diagnosis to recheck on it, because what happens is with maturity and with the body and the brain development, a lot of things kind of fizzle out. The hyperactivity settles down. So it is not
Right.
primarily a concern, it was a temporary situation or a condition, I would say. आपने देखा होगा जब
Wow.
बच्चे बड़े होते हैं अपने आप ही होमवर्क करने लगते हैं, अपने आप ही
हो
बैग पैक
जाते
कर लेते
हाँ.
हैं, it comes up, right? Otherwise you're running around here and there, ये करो वो करो, so you go bonkers. Suddenly you will see when he went to grade 1, 2, 3, जैसे जैसे बड़ा हो रहा है ठीक हो गया, अपने आप सेटल हो गया, मुझे कुछ करना नहीं पड़ा, अपने आप खाना खा लिया. हाँ, so you know all those little things that you would again keep repeating, they settle down. So this is another
Right.
aspect of it, that after the age of 6, you must get hyperactivity tested again if you've already got it done before the age of 6.
Wow, wow, wow. That is a very good insight actually. That 6 monthly wala. That yeah, probably
Yeah.
they had something maybe little tiny of them.
Yeah.
But if you checked out the 6 monthly, you can actually understand how the child is
Yeah.
improving or deproving. So yeah, that insight is
Right.
very.
Or maybe the concern doesn't exist anymore. It was just a temporary growing up phase, you know. That's also
Yeah,
this. Yeah, that's
Like
important.
we say it's
Yeah.
terrible 3 or something like that. We generally say the children of 3 years
Yeah.
they are called terrible 3 because probably
Right.
they're going through a lot of transition. So that transition could be
Absolutely.
yeah. And we think that oh my god my
Yeah.
child is ADHD. Yeah. So what do
हाँ.
children feel when we take them to the counselor? What do you think? Are they okay, or how do we mentally prepare them that yeah we are taking you for a session? Because see, children are of course they are like a clay. So whatever we talk or whatever exactly we say, they are going to take it double-headed. So
Yeah.
so I want to take my child to a counselor. What do you think I should tell to my child?
The best thing that you could really do as a parent is to keep it as transparent as you can. Yeah.
Okay.
Imagine
Okay.
you go to the doctor saying कि मैं आपको पेट दर्द के लिए ले जा रही हूँ, but आप
Right.
पेट दर्द के लिए लेके ही नहीं जा रहे. वो
हाँ,
सर चेक
हाँ.
कर रहा है, कभी हाथ चेक कर रहा है, कभी पैर चेक कर रहा है. So you as a kid will be frustrated. She told me she's taking me for a stomach checkup and he's not doing it.
Right.
Yeah. He's
What are the
probably
exact
wasting my
words?
time. Or I'm absolutely
Huh.
fine. My stomach is absolutely fine. Why are you taking me to the doctor? And then it adds on to more frustration. And the parent
Right.
feels that the counselor is not doing the right job. So
Correct.
when the impression is given wrong, the impression received will also be wrong. So the most important thing is to keep it transparent. That baby, darling, or however you address your child, I think Mama and I need to do something about this. It's always good to keep Mama and I, Papa and I in the picture. When you say you need to go to the therapist, you need to get help, I'm doing absolutely fine. Perspective would differ here. When we as counselors see the three-dimensional perspective, कई बार हमें actually में लगता है it's not the child who's creating suffering. There's something that you are missing out on as a parent. Now this irritates the parent. They don't want to hear it, and we are not that harsh anyway. We try to keep it as subtle as we can, trying to work around things. But sometimes we have to work on the other side. It's not the kid, it's the parent. So when a parent takes a kid, it's always good to tell Mama and I, or we as a family, need to understand what's happening. Something's not going right. Don't you feel so? It's first gaining the trust of the child. I or any counselor for that matter is still a third person. It's still a stranger. You can't suddenly expect your child वो जाएगा सीट पे बैठेगा और सब कुछ बोलना शुरू कर देगा. है ना? So don't expect that magic. First most important thing is it is not a one-day journey. It is not even a 1 month. It can take few months for you to trust me as a kid. Yeah. So this is one important thing. Tell them the reason and tell them why it is. Give them time to be accepted. Just like adults don't want to suddenly go for a medical checkup. They don't want to go for all of this, right? अभी रुकते हैं, देखते हैं, all of that. Give that adult, that kid also some independence and freedom to decide. Okay, you know, there is a counselor. Do you know what a counselor does? Do you know what a clinical psychologist does? Giving them first the knowledge about it so that they trust the practice and the person. And you know, when kids
Right.
explore it, yeah, mama, you know, I think they can help me with this. Yeah, the
Wow.
counselor teacher, she had written these points that I am also helpful in these points for you. So yes, mama,
Right.
nowadays I don't feel like studying or I feel more irritated. मुझे नहीं करना.
Uh,
Yes, I think the counselor can help. It's an easy approach then. That's how it
right.
works.
Because it's absolutely
Yeah.
transparent. I can talk exactly what I mean I want for my child, or we are like pals.
Yeah.
Like as pals, we
Yeah.
spoke to each other.
Absolutely.
So yeah, yeah. So the trust
Right.
is there, the
Yeah.
parent and
Yeah.
the counselor, because the child is
Very
already prepared. So
important.
that parent
Very
inside
important.
that
Yeah.
like rather than jumping onto I'm going for this checkup, that checkup, be transparent
Doesn't
to
make
your
sense.
child
Yeah.
and tell
Yeah.
the child about yes, this is the problem which both of us have, and put
Yeah.
yourself in the picture so that the child is not felt left out. Oh, I have a problem. Oh, why me,
Absolutely.
mom?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Rather than like
Yeah.
it's all
In
about
fact, maybe,
us.
yeah, maybe not even stating a very harsh statement, you know, Swati. Sometimes we do end up saying it. It's such a disturbed environment in the house. I don't know what to do. Let's go to the counselor. तुम भी परेशान कर दो, घर पे भी परेशान मुझे ये मुझे वो, you know, those statements come up. So rather being very specific that something's not right. Again, I'm just repeating it. Reason being, we
Correct.
put the emphasis on the child that the blame is on you, and then we add guilt. Also, not to expect
Right.
results. Maybe counseling doesn't work for your child. Though ऐसा बहुत कम होता है, because when the child gets somebody who's understanding, who's not judging them,
Right.
who's helping them express, and it's not a lot of people understand, you know, कि आप टेबल पे आमने सामने बैठ के बस बात पूछोगे, बेटा क्या हो गया, मम्मा से क्यों परेशान हो, होमवर्क क्यों नहीं करे, खाना क्यों नहीं खाए, ऐसे नहीं होता. There are different ways of doing it. All of this takes time. Yeah, so being
Ah,
patient with therapy is also important. There's a lot of
right.
expression that kids show through drawing, through music, through play also. So therapists that way are very trained. Through drawing also they can help you understand. These are the emotions which are probably not coming up. So patience is the key, and having faith in your counselor is very important.
Right, right, right. So, Mitashi, my next question
Yeah.
is: suppose I don't want to go to a counselor. Suppose, just like yoga or meditation, sometimes when I am hyperactive or something is disturbing me, I try and do yoga and meditation, and it just settles down. Is there certain exercises or anything which I can help as my hyperactive child? Probably not ADHD, just a normal hyperactive child, but generally too energized, generally jumping into everything, excited about everything, running to do their homework fast, or anything in a fast portion. So how do I settle down? So yeah, one is you told about time, that give them time. Probably when they grow a little more, they'll get
Yeah.
better. But what if at that point of situation, suppose a 4-year-old or a 5-year-old or a 6-year-old, so I like any kind of exercises which will help them, or any kind of books or activity books which you can suggest. Okay, these kind of books will help him, or these kind of activities or these kind of exercises will help him. So can you throw some light on that?
Firstly, again, if this is a self-diagnosis done by the parent, then they'll be trying a lot of 100 things, I would say, not just 10 things, because they won't settle down. Reason being,
Right.
आपको behavior नहीं पता, emotion नहीं पता, so you'll try everything that you can get your hands on. But yes,
Yes.
definitely, please don't go for medicines if you end up doing a self-diagnosis. You're going to damage it a lot more, yeah? Even if you know somebody who's a doctor in your family and suddenly gives you medicines, ये दे दो, please मत करना. It's just not healthy for your child, yeah? So if it is not a self-diagnosis, there are lots that you can do. I would still suggest do go for a diagnosis. There's no taboo attached. You're
Right.
not a special kid in that case that, oh my God, you'll be asked to sit separate. A lot of parents have this
Right.
taboo and fear that the moment there's a
Yeah.
report coming up, वो क्लास में अलग बिठा देंगे मेरे बच्चे को.
That is another taboo. Yes.
मैं खुद therapy suggest कर लेती हूँ. Yeah, so this would be harmful, but if you're still asking, I'll give you different strategies. With every child, it's very different. There are some kids who learn auditory. There are some who are visual. There are some who want to move around. It's sensory for them. Yeah. First, you need to
Right.
figure out what your child is interested in. How does your child pick up one concept? Okay. There
Right.
is a possibility, as I had mentioned, ADHD kids are super intelligent. Okay. Their IQ is pretty high. So you don't
Right.
have to now aim for your child to be a genius, because हम हर चीज में ना extreme चले जाते हैं. So I keep
हाँ,
adding those
हाँ,
breaks in between. क्या मैं जो बोल रही हूँ उसको इतना नहीं करना कि अब आप अपने ADHD बच्चे को genius बना के छोड़ोगे, है ना?
हाँ,
So stick to
हाँ,
the
I agree.
concern. Don't add another issue to it. Your child could be very high on intelligence and
हाँ,
creative and doing a lot of things, but as
correct.
competitive parents अब हमें उसको और कुछ कराना है. क्या तू डांस भी
हाँ,
कर ले, अब तू म्यूजिक भी कर ले और ये भी कर ले, and outshine in everything. So give
हाँ,
yourself a pause because you're exhausting yourself. So first, best strategy that you can do for your child is understand your child and give yourself a pause, because you're suddenly on that rush to do something more. Yeah. Thirdly, understand emotions of your child. Okay, where
yeah,
he or she is emotionally right now, because sometimes they feel mama or papa do not understand what I am going through. So strategies come much
yes,
later. First, your connect is important. If suppose they're not able to
absolutely.
write for long 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 1 hour, हम लोग बहुत expect करते हैं, क्योंकि कि देखो हम तो कर लेते थे अपने टाइम पे, हमें कोई नहीं बोलता था, हमारे पीछे तो कोई नहीं भागता था, हम कर लेते थे. आई एग्री, फेयर इनफ कि उस टाइम पे होता होगा, बट अगर ये कंसर्न है, probably those days those concerns were not highlighted as much as it is now. Yeah. So
Right,
very important,
right.
if your child is not willing to write, first check, is the concept clear? Suppose if you want to understand what is the concept of photosynthesis, or tell me the table of two. Yeah. Maybe he knows it in the mind but doesn't want to write. Yeah. Because that's the
Yes,
restlessness. They get bored
correct.
out of it. And there are a lot of kids who end up telling their parents, mama मुझे आता तो है, तो लिखने की क्या जरूरत है, और जब
Yes,
आता है तो मैं लिख कर
exactly.
क्यों प्रूव करूं कि मुझे आता है ना?
हाँ,
A
हाँ,
lot of kids have nowadays started saying, when there are tablets available, iPads available, technology is
हाँ,
advancing, what's the point writing anyway? So out of
right.
100, there are 10 who would say these statements, but there are still 90 who are not saying this. So maybe your child is looking for a different way to learn, first of all. That's important. Okay. Understanding and breaking it for them. They are giving you a
Yes,
problem. I can't write for 15 minutes, and you want them to write for 30 minutes. So first cut down on that time. Yeah.
हाँ,
Cut down on the input and the output. Most importantly, during this pandemic, you need to cut down on the expectations, because
right,
a lot of
right.
us are feeling pandemic है, curriculum खत्म करा देते हैं और आगे बढ़ते हैं, कुछ ये करते हैं, कुछ वो
Absolutely. I've
करते
seen
हैं.
many parents
But
doing
that's,
that.
yeah. But if your child is on the verge of ADHD concerns, you're adding a lot more stress for yourself. He doesn't want to do it. Now you want to be competitive. WhatsApp groups पे देखो वो क्या कर रहे हैं, ये क्या कर रहे हैं, इतना कोर्स खत्म हो गया है.
Correct,
So first work on
correct.
your mental health and save your mental health. That's very important, है ना? Why I keep
हाँ,
repeating, you want to fix the other problem, but first fix it for yourself. Understand your
correct.
concern. As a parent, what are you looking for? Are you looking for best marks? Are you looking for the best child award? Yeah. Is it really worth it? Is it really worth beyond your child's emotions and safety and
Yeah,
mental health? First, you need to understand that. That's important. ADHD बहुत
yes,
बाद में आता है स्वाति, पहले ये concerns आ जाते हैं. You need to understand that,
correct.
है ना? फिर आपकी
Yes,
strategies आएंगे. If you really feel it is a concern, different strategies, working out on time limit. Give them a break, it's very important. But it has to
yes.
be very consistent in nature. Yeah. Setting a routine is important for these kids, with diagnosis
Yes.
or without diagnosis. I'll talk about both the options now. There has to be a
हाँ,
routine in their lifestyle, even if you go for
हाँ,
a vacation for that matter. Now vacation might mean taking your iPad for 2 hours, sitting in that bed of the hotel and just chilling, and mama papa going here, sister going here, brother going there, and you are in your bed because now you have your free space. So hota kya hai, at
right.
home, in school, we are giving all the strategies. Suddenly when you go out, you leave it. But you don't do this
Right.
with your medicines, right? You don't leave your medicines when you go on a vacation. You take them along. कि
Absolutely.
जैसे ही होगा
हाँ,
मुझे करना है. Same goes for the routine. You take your routine also along. Your child gets up at
yes.
8 or 9 again in the morning in that lobby and gets ready in that hotel, whatever. You get ready even on your vacation. Routine stays. Work on the diet also very important. If your kid is hyperactive, especially if diagnosed, give them less sugar. Because sugar, a general concept
Sugar
how it is that
rush.
there is sugar rush,
Yes,
yeah? There's energy,
yes,
especially in the night. Try to avoid that. Do not give them
yes.
preservative foods, color foods. When you're adding color to your food, don't do that. Yeah, try to
हाँ,
avoid it. In a daily life, you do not have to cut down on so much of the health diet, I would say, because फिर हम बहुत extreme चले जाते हैं. कोक भी नहीं पीने देना. अब किसी बच्चे को कोक पेप्सी पसंद है, you suddenly can't be so much on the precautious end, you know, कि ये भी नहीं करना, वो भी नहीं करना. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आज अगर आपका बच्चा 10 चॉकलेट्स खा रहा है या बहुत पेप्सी पी रहा है तो ओ माय गॉड, क्योंकि
हाँ,
सेशन में सुना प्रेजर्वेटिव्स नहीं खाना, इसको कल को ADHD ना हो जाए, ऐसा भी नहीं होगा. ADHD is since the beginning, I would say, yeah. So don't just suddenly cut down on everything that your child is anyway enjoying right now. You take away the one last interest thing also, yeah. But if it is really a diagnosed thing, cutting on this sugar would really help. Setting
Right.
routine, giving them, you can set corners for them. Now, this is your study table. We'll only study here.
Yeah.
There's no gaming, there's no TV in that room. You can have a
Right.
folder for them. A folder जिस पे लिखा है work completed or my achievements. For them
Wow.
to be, feeling happy about it. कि मैंने इतना तो करा. Yeah. Suppose when you're taking online classes now, putting on their laptop screen or wherever, ask them to write it so that they feel more powerful, more responsible about it, and less pressurized. Ask your
Right.
child, okay, Rohan, tell me 2 things you want to finish in this class with Swati ma'am today. We'll not force you. 2 things, okay? Can mama put 1 thing? Dialogue is important first of all. Your child needs to understand that, yeah? वरना ऐसा होता है कि सिर्फ instructions हैं. Do this, do that. काम खत्म होना चाहिए. When I come back from the meeting, half an hour, your paragraph should be completed. You're
Correct.
adding anxiety for the child, and it's of no
Yes.
help anyway. ठीक है? उसकी जो
Right.
intelligence काम आनी चाहिए वो काम नहीं आएंगी because there's so much stress. माँ आएंगी, मेरा खत्म नहीं होगा तो she'll scold me. So you're damaging the relationship also, yeah?
Right.
So very
Right.
important. Ask them to put pointers for themselves. As a parent, you don't have to do everything for your child. Guide them. Okay, what are 2 things you're going to do today, Rebhav? आज मैं ये करूँगा मम्मा. Very good. So 2 points हमारी class के ये हो गए हैं. So one thing you can do is, will you do the assembly or the prayer today? Will you follow that? Okay, lovely. Put the prayer there. How about next thing? Do you think you can copy? Do you want to copy the homework today? Okay, mama, I'll copy the homework today. That dialogue, it's like a deal. Kids like such fancy deals, After you do this, then we'll go for a walk maybe. Everything doesn't has to be, rewarded with an iPad, a phone, a gadget.
It's like questions. When
Yeah,
you put on
yeah.
it, so you're giving them
Absolutely.
empowerment. Yeah.
Absolutely. And that's what kids love. When you
Yeah.
see, suddenly kids, pre-teens and teens become rebellious. Why? So because now they are craving for that power. So even
Yes.
these young babies would want that independence and power. Helping them choose basics, even clothes for that matter. What shirt do you want
Yes.
to wear? Okay. Or mama's coming back, papa's coming back from a shower quickly. You keep your clothes ready. उससे उसको भी excitement बनी रहेगी और आपका भी stress कम होगा. I also work on the parent. It's very, very important. It's not just the child, yeah. It's you also. You have to take a breather for yourself.
Yes.
So
Yes.
give them work. It's easier for you also, I would say. Play it smart. Give them work. If there is, dinner time, it's on the table. Ask them to do it. Can you help, mama? Okay, who's gonna help do this? Who's gonna help do that? Help sounds better instead of saying plate उठा के रखे हो अपनी. ठीक है. वैसे भी तुम भाग दौड़ करते रहते हो. अब यहाँ तुम्हें काम नहीं करना. These
Because
slight,
that's the way of style of talking.
Absolutely. Your subtle remarks is what's going to damage the child more. Because what happens is a lot of kids, I don't want to use this word, but they feel like, these words I've heard from kids. I'm a loser. Mama anyway feels I can't do anything. Because that
Exactly.
intelligence is not being used for the right reasons.
They're smart.
और kids start feeling is मैं कर तो सकता हूँ नहीं. पापा आएंगे अभी बोल के चले जाएंगे. तुझसे वैसे भी नहीं होएगा. तू तो भागता रहता है. मैं कर देता हूँ. These subtle remarks that we parents use, it damages the confidence of the child. And then they don't want to do it more. If you'll see, there are a lot of kids, आपने इतना बोला उनको through the years that now they just want to do it. You keep saying yes, you keep ranting about it, but उनको नहीं करना. Because one, they feel I'm not valued. Second, whatever I'll do, anyway, there will be some remark coming up. Yeah?
Yeah.
Third, they don't
Yeah.
understand me. So why do I do what they want me to do? So it's
better not
frustrating.
to
Yeah?
Yes.
हाँ,
Yes.
मत करो. So different strategies. Avoid comparison first of all. Avoid comparing
Yes.
even with your younger or elder child for that matter. Your younger one could be on the ADHD perspective. Maybe your elder one didn't have that concern. So you don't
Yes.
have to do that comparison because you're not understanding their concerns right now. Okay.
Right.
Talking about exercises, of course, as much as you can exhaust them, it's the best. Now this I'm talking
Yes.
only about ADHD kids. I'm not talking in general. Yeah. If your child has the right amount of energy, it's absolutely fine. But if it is ADHD, keeping them engaged is difficult, but is also important. Yeah. So giving them exercise, make it a routine for yourself. Now you have to have an inspiration in the house. You can't expect them to go running around on their own. It's impossible.
Yeah. And we are the
Now
best
you are also
examples.
yeah,
They work
but
by
there are
examples.
parents who would say, ma'am, we have long shift working hours. We cannot take out time. I agree and I respect that too. But there's something that you will have to carve out time for. कुछ तो अब आपको करना पड़ेगा.
Absolutely.
Everything a counselor can also not do. A class teacher cannot
Correct.
do. So this is very important. You will have to set routine. If not weekdays, at least try for weekends. Like begin from somewhere. Yeah.
Yes.
Give them work. Let them pick up responsibilities. Who's gonna help me with what? Who's gonna help me put the bag in the clothes in the laundry bag?
Right.
ताकि वो एनर्जी सपोज खेलने में
Tiny
यूज नहीं हो रही
chores,
है,
the
हाँ
household
भागने
chores.
में यूज नहीं हो रही है, यू डू नॉट हैव टाइम टू इन्वेस्ट राइट नाउ, गिव देम दिस वर्क,
Yes.
allow them freedom. You choose when you want to do it. You have class homework, you want to do it in the morning or in the evening. Mama's only going to
Yes.
remind you twice. Tell me when do you
हाँ.
want that reminder. Helping them.
हाँ.
Can't expect them overnight कि सब कुछ आ जाएगा.
सब कुछ
Routine
आ जाएगा,
सीखो,
right? And it was
instruction सीखो.
gradually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So giving them thoda,
Gradually.
you know. Tell mama, when can mama remind you? 5 p.m. do you want your
Yes.
reminder? Lovely. 5 p.m. I'll give you, so that they are also ready for it. When you
हाँ.
switch them from one
That
activity
you're
to
not
another, they
nagging
need
them
to be.
throughout the day, and you just
Absolutely,
basically
absolutely.
saying, "I'll remind you once," and then
Huh.
they feel कि okay, I should do it before my
Yeah.
mother reminds me.
Yeah, because this also sets like a boundary for your behavior and the child's behavior that you can't go beyond this now.
Yes.
I've said it
Yes.
once, I've said it twice. You can't damage your
Mm.
mental health. Pandemic is affecting you also as a parent. So you can't do this
Yes.
again and again. Sometimes even
Correct.
talking with your child might just help. Let's see,
Yes.
mama and papa are also going through some emotions, and I know these are the emotions are so difficult to contain. Even I want to do
Yes.
different things. I'm not able to get out. But as a family, we need to do something about it. Yeah,
Yeah, like
this
talk it out.
connectivity is very
Yes.
important. Absolutely, this is
Yes.
important. So different
Mm.
things around it.
Yes. So
Yeah.
Pooja Jaiswal has a question. Actually, she has a couple of questions. So she has
Okay.
a question that my 4-year-old child does not eat. What do I do first?
Hmm.
And then her coming up questions are, what exactly do you mean by ADHD? And her last question says that, one second, I can't see this. Yeah. So her last question is, what do we do when they say no to write? So three
Okay.
questions. One, she wants to address what exactly is ADHD. Second
Hmm.
is she wants to understand my child is a fussy eater, probably that is what she means. And third,
Hmm.
he is always denying to write. So Pooja, would you
Okay.
like to mention what is the age of your child so that we can
I think
understand which
4,
age
she
to
said, if I'm
talk
not
about?
wrong, is it? She said 4 years?
Yeah, four. Yes,
शायद है ना,
yes,
हाँ 4 years,
yes.
right. Swati, now these three concerns again are very broad in nature, except for the ADHD one,
Yes,
which I can of course
yes,
directly answer here. Fussy eater,
yes,
different reasons. I don't want to give you one reason to latch on to. You will have to go to the
yes,
pediatrician or a specialist further. Very important. That's why I keep
yes.
repeating, we do not have to wait for a live session or a Google answer. Very important. That one session is going to help you rule out abilities behind it. Yeah. So again, Pooja, as much as I love and respect your question, I don't want to give you a direct answer, because if I talk about how counselors work, there are different ways, you know. We first understand the history from the conceiving to the delivery to the different milestones that take place in a child's life, right? We understand the family reasons also, what is happening in the family. Different concerns. How much you want to share with us is, of course, your personal call, but there are different things. We want to understand their diet also. The breastfeeding part that took probably in those years, in the first initial years, since she's still a baby right now, it's just 4 years. Eh? We want to understand the journey before we reach to a conclusion that this is what the reason could be. So I'll not be answering in a very direct manner, as I said. Yeah.
Yes,
Secondly, she was talking about writing bit. Yes, again, there
yes.
could be different reasons to it. Is it boredom? Is it concept clarity? Is it I don't want to write anymore? I want to do something fun right now? Or that I am having difficulty forming the Hindi letters. A lot of kids end up doing this now.
Yes,
ख नहीं लिखा जा
yes.
रहा, ख तो याद ही नहीं हो रहा, ग पता नहीं, Hindi use नहीं होगी तो नहीं लिखना. A lot of parents come up with this that my child doesn't want to write Hindi, doesn't even want to talk in Hindi for that matter. Yeah. So
Right,
there's a
right,
version
right.
from both the sides. Yeah. Different concerns. At what time are you asking your child to write? Is he or she really exhausted by then? Are they worried about something? Have you probably sent a remark to them that, you can't even write this one line, itni der ho gayi. Maybe that remark has stayed with them. So I'm giving you variety of possibilities. Yeah. Maybe they're tired. They don't want to show you they don't know a concept. They don't want a scolding. Maybe the teacher said something. Again, different factors, Swati. I can't give
Correct.
one direct answer. Okay, ye ho sakta
Yes.
hai. So very important also, check with your class teachers. Very important to connect. A lot of schools now have counselors hired. Yes, they're working in-house counselors. There are special educators also who are in-house. Connect with your class teacher, give them the concern. The teachers are well trained. I am really hopeful that a lot of teachers are well trained in schools who know what these
Absolutely.
concerns look like. Yeah. Sometimes it could be just growing issues. Okay, abhi, it's
Yes.
just 4, by
I
the
would
way.
just
4 is a
confirm that.
very
Yes.
tiny age, Swati. Very, very tiny age for us to even
Right.
expect कि जो सब कर रहे हैं वो मेरा बच्चा करे. It's not a competition. Secondly, it's fine, she'll pick it up at some point. Thirdly, she's
Correct.
at home right now. Even if there's online
Yes.
preschooling
There's
happening or
emotional
proper
also.
schooling happening,
Yes.
you have to
Yes.
give
Yes.
them time. I keep repeating it to the parents, don't focus on academic right now. You can still cope up with some concept later on, but your child's emotional
Mm.
health is important right now, yeah?
Yes.
So
Yes.
maybe slowing
Absolutely.
down on your expectations, and
Mm.
I would really recommend, do seek some professional help to get direct
Yeah.
answers. Otherwise, you'll keep lingering on with the same situation. There's no
हाँ,
point.
हाँ.
मतलब कोई फायदा नहीं. Yeah.
So Pooja, even my son is a fussy eater. So just to calm you out, he's also
Yes.
going to 2.8. And not that I don't cook things for him, but yeah, he's terrible fussy eater. So few things I have started with him. I give him like energy giving food. Like I give him a lot of banana shake or maybe mango shake. And like if he's not having dal rice or he just concentrated on rice, I would probably make dal ki
Whatever
roti
he
or
likes.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I
Yeah.
try to give him hand holding foods because he hates to sit and have. So probably I create a
Yeah.
roll, and in the roll I put some bubbles or something. Either I decorate his plate so that he feels that
Yeah.
I decorated his salad plate yesterday. I made a bunny, so he was super happy
Yeah.
because of that bunny plate. So
Yeah.
probably we have to become super moms and we have to try some different strategies. So that is
Yeah.
what
In
I am
fact,
seeing with my son.
yeah, yeah. While these strategies are very valid, but yes, of course, there can be different concerns too. So do check out both.
Yes,
Try these different strategies, whatever
yes,
he likes,
yes.
putting it in a different form. And
Correct.
one thing I would really like to add, not just super moms, they need to be super dads too. Yeah. Sometimes
Yeah,
mothers
yeah.
take so much responsibility of
Correct,
feeding,
correct,
writing, homework, your work, everything
correct,
around, that even the kid
correct.
is tired of having you on his head throughout. Yeah.
हाँ,
So if there's
हाँ, हाँ.
somebody else, dada dadi if you
Maybe
have, if not
change.
it's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah.
Maybe
Hmm,
parent है ना, बड़ी
hmm.
दीदी है, छोटा भाई है, उसके साथ बैठ के खाना,
हाँ,
making it a more fun concept for them. कुछ भी मतलब,
right,
कुछ भी,
right.
और change of person can also sometimes help. And
Yes,
sometimes it could
yes,
also be a medical concern if it's eating, to be honest. It does get
yes.
rolled out. If it's a temporary phase, it
हाँ,
could be a medical thing also. So do
correct,
go for
correct.
a specific thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And also for writing, dear, don't worry too much because
Yeah.
writing is, they have just started writing in like, when they were 3.5 or something. So now,
Yeah.
so yeah, there is a formula for attention span also for a 4-year-old.
Yeah, you shared that. Yeah.
It's like 8 minutes. You can give a work of 8 minutes. That's exactly
That's
he'll
it.
do. If you have given
Yeah.
work of 8 minutes, more than enough. He'll
More than
not sit
enough.
for
In schools,
10
if you
minutes.
see, yeah, schools 4 hours, 3 hours, teachers are not after them just write. There's so much more.
Exactly.
Activities, connecting with your peers, connecting with teachers, fun masti happening. योगा नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं हो रहा है. नहीं हो
नहीं
रहा
हो
हाथ सीधा, उसको
रहा
टाइम लगेगा
और
करने में.
ठीक है
तो
मतलब
जैसे
4 years 10
हाँ,
years थोड़ी है
Pooja will
some
connect after few
children also
years.
important.
Then I can still think about it.
Seriously.
Yeah,
So yeah.
yeah.
I had another question from one of the parent. So how has the pandemic affected my child? And do you think any counseling session can be given to a pandemic affected child?
Of course, why not? Is it specific to ADHD or general?
No,
Because
in
in
general.
any pandemic, Swati, it goes without saying, we know how it's affected everybody, kids and
Absolutely,
adults for
absolutely.
that matter. Yeah, anybody, whatever profile you are at right now, everybody is affected by it. Yeah, unfortunately, there's nothing you can do about the effect. Yeah, but to still work on it, there are different ways. Best is, of course, to keep yourself occupied, structured.
Yes.
But what happens is, it's very easy to say. Sometimes you're not in the zone or the mood to be very productive that day. So that's also fine. You have to be very light and chill on yourself, I would say. Not loading yourself with
Yes.
too much expectations. People, I know a lot of people who are bothered by, putting on weight or losing weight. क्योंकि physically अब effect आ रहा है, mentally था अब
Yes.
physically. So suddenly there
Ask
are
me.
so many videos that you
It's
want to
my
go
main
through.
point.
Yeah, it's everybody's, it's mine too. But what happens is, अब ये सोचो, अगर मैं आपको एक बहुत सिंपल बात बताऊं, आप जिम में कभी नहीं हो पाए एकदम फिट, आप रनिंग
हाँ.
चाहते थे तब नहीं हो पाया. अब जब घर में
Yes.
इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स नहीं है, why are you
हाँ.
forcing yourself to reach that body shape? या
Correct.
आपके पास इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं है, आपके पास
हाँ.
स्पेस भी नहीं है, बट आपको करना है. Simplest is, give your body also time. Yeah, maybe just doing
Right.
simple exercises to be in the
Correct.
practice so that there is some flexibility and movement in your body.
Hmm.
But that
Hmm.
target body shape can be frustrating for you. because it's difficult. आप घर में कितना time निकालोगे, कितना sweating हो जाए. If it's happening, good for you, but give yourself time. For kids also, their play time, their fun time, it's gone. Yeah, they are getting it very limited. I know only few parents who are still sending down their kids in the condo to still go connect. Vaccine lag gayi hai to chale jao, things are better to chale jao. But this is something that has affected everybody. So एक कहते हैं ना, एक टाइम है, बस एक समय है, आपको निकालना जरूरी है. So I just keep reiterating the fact कि ये जितना simple निकल जाए उतना better है. Cut down on the expectations for yourself and your child's too. Everyone is frustrated right now. Everybody is not
Yes.
meant for an online thing. In fact, I doubt who was meant. No kid was meant for an online thing, right? They don't
Absolutely. I
understand
agree.
the laptop business. Imagine 30 kids,
Yes.
and that kid used to be so enthused about answering. By the time the teacher
Ah,
spots where is your child on the screen, it's anyway period over. So it's tough for that
true.
educator, that teacher also. It's tough for that child also. Your child even might feel demotivated. Mama, ma'am doesn't
Correct.
listen to me. I keep my hand up.
Ah,
So don't just
ah,
write a mail to the teacher. You don't listen to my child. He keeps
ah,
the hand up. He's feeling so demotivated, so disencouraged, and all of those things. So what you're thinking, you're also telling your child, and your child also
yes.
feels the same then. I'm feeling
Correct.
demotivated. My teacher doesn't acknowledge my presence in the class. What to do? So your words, thoughts, and emotions in the pandemic is affecting your child, because
Hmm.
right now the only connect is with you. Everything else is online,
Yes.
very temporary, very half an hour base. Yeah. तो आपका
Correct.
और उनका
Correct.
जरूरी है. What's the communication like? If there is any
Hmm.
emotion meltdown, I would say, tell your child about it. Don't just go babbling here and there, frustrated, roaming around, or putting someone's frustration on your child and then regretting later on.
Right.
I know it's
Right.
very easier said than done, but it's always better to sit with your child and say, Mama was really upset today about something. Maybe I'll not
Yes.
be able to
Yes.
share about it right now. Or daddy or mama had a little argument, but we are fine right now. You're saving them from the later damage, क्योंकि बच्चों को लगता है
Yes.
मैंने कुछ करा, मैंने जो बॉल मारा सुबह वॉल पे उससे मम्मा को प्रॉब्लम हुई थी. But that's not the
Correct.
problem. It's between
Correct.
mama and papa. Pandemic में क्योंकि सब कुछ एक ही surrounding में, so you're picking everybody's behavior. This is
Yes.
creating
Yes.
a lot of anxiety in the kids too, because they are
Hmm.
overthinking, over contemplating what to do next, what am I doing, why is every frustration coming on me. So damage तो है, productivity कम हो गई है. Not everybody is flourishing right now, so you have to take it easy. When there are kids who are coming on Instagram as their profile, now I know parents who want to do this also, कि हम भी
My
एक
God.
प्रोफाइल बनाएंगे. There will be sponsors coming for it. There will be 3,000, 4,000, 30,000 followers for that. You
Right.
also have to keep in mind you're exhausting your child. Are you? If not,
Yes.
fair enough, take that lead. But if you're exhausting your child, even creating those videos and stuff, you need to hold on. Because A, you
Yes.
already have the role of a parent, maybe the wife's role you're playing or the father's role. Three other roles I'm assuming are still there. You're adding another. Your child doesn't know where he or she's going to reach 10 years after that Instagram profile, but you know what
Correct.
you're doing right now. So they take everything very slow. That's the best you can do. Family relation and bonding is something you can work on right now. Very important. I would also want to talk about single separated parents. We cannot ignore that fact, right? They have their own
Yeah.
struggles. So reach out to a counselor if need be. Connect with your child if need be. Yes, your child could be clueless. Why did this separation sudden? A lot of pandemic, unfortunately, has
Yes.
seen a lot of
Yes.
separations. Your child needs to know
Right.
that. Hiding away
Right.
the fact from your child will not help, because they start blaming themselves. That some parent, my one of my parents left the house because of me. Am I a
Yes.
burden? Am I this? Am I that? You need to
That.
take care of
Yes.
that also.
Yes.
If there's a
Hmm.
loss in the family, you need to take care of that also, because pandemic is leading to this too. So different
Correct.
emotions, as a parent, you really need to be available. That's
Right.
the
Right.
first thing. Everything else will follow.
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
awesome, Mitashi. We had a lot of points and we have a lot of things which you mentioned about. Just paraphrasing little which you mentioned. So one,
Yeah.
please empower your child. Give your child the freedom to choose yes or no. That's very important. Engage them in household chores. That will help you also, since we don't have maids, of course. And secondly, the child also feels happy that, oh wow, mama has given me a work and I'm responsible. So that
Yeah.
is very important. Talk to your child, even sensitizing about little things what is happening with you, so that they feel they are a part of the family or just not small babies anymore. They love to call themselves as young adults. Stop comparing your child with other children, thinking about looking at the WhatsApp groups or something, and overburdening him or her with too much of work. So just give part works. food is a very important role to play. So we will work upon that. We do not give too much of sugar items to children, especially at night, so that there's no sugar rush, and stop preservative food. Of course, home cooked food is one of the best. Going forward, we should follow routine. Even I really like this point where Mitashi said, and thanks for highlighting that, the way our everything moves on a right pace, taking bath or XYZ, our routine plays a very important role. Even if we are on outdoor tours or something, and a small routine creates a lot of inner happiness, as well as the child understand this is what was going to happen next. So subconsciously he's creating a balance in his mind. And do not expect too much from the child. Let's just relax, sit back, and give them little things, so that the little happiness will they'll be able to capture. And of course, give your child a lot of time, even if you're not free, as Mitashi said, that we are all working women or working men, and probably we do not have time. So it's always important that at least spend weekends with the children, some quality time, maybe playing Uno or Carom or whatever XYZ you can think of. Talk to your child, have fun time, have dinners together. So yes, spending time and talking is something very, very important. And so yes, and lastly, I would like to mention that don't jump into conclusion. Take a counselor's help if you really feel there's a problem, rather than jumping onto Google, which is very important, because Google is like a parasite these days. You might think that, oh wow, I got my answers cleared, but yes, of course, a perfect professional, since that person has already had a degree and knows much more than what we can think of. So we do not jump into conclusion. Take a technical help, take a proper help, get your child checked up. There's no harm in it, and we as adults should be empowered enough to tell our children, probably we both have a problem and let's get it checked. So just connect with a counselor. And of course, as we all know, Mitashi has a website called Live Bubble. So maybe if you want, you can connect with her. You can DM me. I can send you her number, or probably you can connect with her, and you can get it checked. Or any person if you feel convenient with. So don't ignore little issues. Just go and get yourself checked. It's happy to get a conclusion that yes, my child is normally hyperactive and not ADHD, rather than just thinking on yourself. So thanks a lot, Mitashi, for the session. Thanks a lot for coming up online, and it really means a lot. And so we had a lovely insight. And if you want to add something, we hardly have 20 seconds now. So maybe you want to say something for your viewers or anything.
Thank you. I am really feeling really happy that you all joined. So thank you. And I know this topic can go in different directions. So don't lose hope, and don't